check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, I'm opening a 1988 Flair baseball cards. It comes with a logo sticker, teams, limited edition, collect Flair special limited edition set. Woo, special 15 cards and 1 sticker. Oh, it's not check. No check cards. They're ridiculous. What, Ribbon Sierra? Okay, I got Ribbon Sierra here. That's cool. I got Ribbon Sierra's rookie card. One right there, players. You got like a little baseball stadium. The Oakland Coliseum. Got problems with the leak. They got, oh, this is a good pack. Looks like Roger Clemens. Tall Foley. Doug Jones. Look at tons of his cards. Jim. Ozzie Gillen. Big Mouth. Gives himself in trouble. So let me know what kind of cards you guys collect. Let me know what you guys are into. Always curious. John Mosley, Clark Ford, Bill Medlock. He's been around for a long time. And Gary Lucas, last card. So far, like a couple good cards in here. And comes a sticker. Oh, Jim Rice got Hall of Famer. Jeff Reed. This guy was called the K-Man. Oh, Great Maddox. Was like a second-year card? Yeah, second-year card. Almost a rookie card. Great Maddox. Not young. So far, it's been 2 good packs. You know, it depends how you look at this. Not what it was. Well, Ken Griffey, he made one of the greatest baseball player. Fred Finley had a great career. Larry Anderson. Mark Linton had a decent pitcher during his time. I have to check this crap. And Jim is the last back. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe I'll do better next time. Thanks for watching.